Good morning, children. How are you? I hope everyone is taking care of themselves, washing their hands before eating or coming back from your playtime. Today, I, Clara Singh, will be teaching you SST, and we will start with a new chapter, Chapter 2, Changes in Neighborhood and School. So now, let us open our books. We will open to page number 8. I hope everyone has opened their books. We will start reading. Changes in neighborhood and school. Changes in neighborhood. Rohan has not seen his uncle Rajiv Chopra and his family because they are living in the United States. So here Rohan has not seen his uncle, who's staying where? In United States, that is America. Mr. Rajiv Chopra is a doctor. He had gone to the US when Rohan was not even born. Today Rohan is 12 years old, but he has seen his uncle and his family only in photographs. Rohan is very keen to meet his cousins Sanjana and Kashish. So over here Mr. Rajiv Chopra is a doctor and he had been to America, that is US, for a long time. When Rohan was born, he had not met his uncle Mr. Rajiv Chopra. After 12 years, he was about to meet his cousins named Sanjana and Kashish. He had only seen them where? In the photographs. Mr. Rajiv Chopra decided to spend his rest of life in US. Rohan became very happy to know this. Mr. Chopra started packing all his necessary items. Finally, Mr. Chopra arrived in US along with his family members from India. So here Rohan's parents had decided to shift to America with their family. So they cannot take all the things. They could only take their clothes and important documents. Finally, Mr. Chopra arrived in US along with his family members from India. Rohan met his cousins Sanjana and Kashish. All of them began to play different games together. So children, what we understand from this paragraph, that here a family is shifting to another country, from one country, that is they are staying in India, and they are all going to settle in America. Have you all understood? So children, over here in this picture, what you all can see? Yes, there is a food court. There in American culture, they have a food court culture where children and the whole family go out and eat outside. They have food counters like Burger King, McDonald's under one roof. So whenever they want, they go out and eat. In the next picture, most of the time they want to be out. They love to roam around. They love to explore different places, and they are wearing western outfits, which is more comfortable for them. Over here it's a education picture where you can see the teachers is interacting with children, and children are studying by using tabs. That they are having the tablets and they're studying with the help of tablets, and they have a very nice environment. They have meals over there. They don't have to carry the tiffins, and they have got lot of sports activity in the schools where every child has to take part in American culture. In this picture you can see that they are more into outdoor games. They love cycling, they love swimming. If you see in the TV also, they love swimming on the beach side. Even they love to have their meals outside near the swimming pool, and that is a day when they have a holiday or a Saturday evening. There is lot of greenery in the house. Now let us come to page number 9. After spending a month in US, Rohan found different neighbors. He also found changes in his lifestyle, clothes, food habits, etc. So you could imagine what kind of lifestyle he was leading. He used to go to a food court. His school's education was totally different. His food habit also had changed. His lifestyle became Western. He started talking in English with his neighbors. Gradually, all neighbors of Rajiv Chopra came to know Rohan. So whosoever was staying close to the house, everybody came to know that there is a boy named Rohan who has come from India. Whenever Rohan gets spare time, he meets his neighbors. Spare time means when he gets free time. He meets his neighbors. It has helped Rohan to get familiar with American culture. Familiar means he is getting used to with American culture. He has picked up the habit to eat Western food like burger and pizza. However, his mother and aunt cook Indian dishes at their home. So whenever he wanted to eat pizza and burger, he used to go out, but at home his mother and his aunt used to cook Indian food. So children, we have some more pictures. Can you see the work environment? There the children have camps, they go out together, they do some kind of work or help people. They have a kind of debate in the class where they have been given a topic to speak on something. Can you all see in the video? For your homework, children, changes in neighborhood and school. Read the full chapter, which includes changes in school and gender sensitivity topics also. We will continue with the chapter in our next video, and we will also do some exercises. So keep your books and your notebooks ready with it. Stay home, stay safe, have a good day.